Man, today is gonna be a good day for a vlog. Let's go ahead and get this day started. Okay, Google, turn off the light. Man, as you can see, man, it is early in the freaking morning, man. And of course, I am now getting my day started. And also, of course, if you're watching this, you know, today is gonna be a photo shoot, but this is gonna be a very, 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 very eventful day today, man. But I'm gonna get a little bit onto that, and after I get done doing this shopping order, you know how I get down. Guys, as you can see, man, went ahead, put that order in, went ahead and just got finished dropping it off. Man, that was some bullshit. Let me go ahead and say that first and foremost, man. 540 packs of waters, but you know, gotta do what I do. But anyway, you come to why is this vlog gonna go on, man? It's gonna be interesting to be, just because it's gonna be a very long vlog. I think it's maybe I end up doing this like a 2-3 day vlog type situation, or I just may break it up in pairs. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Yes, I will be meeting up with TogLife and Tmidd down in Nashville. We're gonna do Imaging USA for the next couple of days together, so we're going to be doing that. So this is the reason for this whole entire vlog. Now, once again, right before I do that, I also got a shoot that I am going to be doing up here as well, right before I leave out. And then right after the exercise, they'll be playing ball. I'm gonna leave there and go straight to the photo shoot that's gonna be at 11:30. So let me go ahead and give y'all guys an update. I'm giving y'all guys an update right now. I did not do what I said I was going to do, which was do a photo shoot and go play ball. It's actually kind of like a chain of events that just kind of went on right about now. I got a message from the model I was supposed to shoot today. She called and canceled on me. So therefore, when that happened, I decided not to go play ball, because I was going to go play ball right before the shoot, because it was all basically in the same area. So when she kind of canceled on me, I was just like, well, I don't feel like going playing ball. So I was like, I'm just not going to go play ball. So I decided not to go play ball. I decided to keep on just going out here, just doing what I do. You know what I'm saying? Continue just working. I'm going to work for a little bit while longer, and then I'm going to go hit the road and be on my way to Nashville, Tennessee, to go meet up with the guys, with the fellas. So yeah, that's kind of what the update is. So I have to come back here and just refresh what I said I was gonna do, because none of that crap happened. So it is what it is, you know, models flake. That's just what happens. That's just what they do. So it is what it is. But your boy had to take a break from that drive, man. Get out the car, just stretch the legs, man, you know. Fuck, I'm 6'3", so I gotta get out, stretch those legs for a little bit. I'm here at this little pallet, what the case may be, and probably got like 40 miles left till I get to the Airbnb, so it's not a real big deal. I'm gonna go here and just use the bathroom real quick, may pick up something to drink. I don't know, but we're gonna find out. But mainly, I just need to stretch my legs out, so. So man, your boy is done with the stretching. Let me just use the bathroom real quick. And so yeah, I went to use the bathroom, about to get this started. And then get back on this road. Like I said, I'm about 40 miles out. What is up, man? I finally made it to Nashville a little bit later. They snuck up on me, but you can see behind me, look who it is, man.
Yeah. T to the M to the I, D, E.
It don't sound as good because he don't got that girl saying his logo no more, so I don't even want to hear his shit no more. Yeah, T to the M to the I. I was like, man, he got he nailed that one, man. Look who else it is over here, man.
TogLife in the building. You already know what it is.
Man, you know, we all met up here, man. We got finished done eating at this barbecue place. Of course, they did. I really didn't.
Stanley?
Stan. Yeah.
I said Stan now. Okay, now I don't know where the lead coming from. I said Stan. Don't play with me.
My stepfather name is Stan, so that's how I know where, you know.
Well, yeah, it's the full name, but you know, that government, I don't like it. Yeah. TogLife over here working on this video real quick. How's this video going, Tog?
Say what?
How's that video going right now?
It's good. One more. So one more, man. You about to do this 17 more times. I just want you to know that.
As you can see, guys, out here putting in this work. I'm not putting in any work, actually. I'm just out here just chilling today, bro. Mid's out here working. Anthony's out here working with his video rig, and I'm just out here just pretty much just vlogging and enjoying my time, man.
1, 2, 3.
All right. Let's see. Oh, that was blurry. That was blurry.
Let me do that one more time.
My name is Deanna. Like the Disney Channel thing, but it's Dime TV or with the guys. I said something bad. I didn't want to get canceled no more, but we got a lot of melanin, so I said what I said. You can follow me on Instagram at d.dehara.j, d.dehara.j, and you'll see the crazy woman.
All right, man. This place is ridiculous, bro. Like, I'm gonna go ahead and turn you back around. Just look at this, man. This place is ridiculous. And this is a freaking hotel, man. This is a hotel, and this place is freaking ridiculous. They even have like a Bellagio. I'm gonna cut it right now, but they even got like a Bellagio like water show. Like it's crazy. Like this inside this hotel, it's freaking crazy. Once again, this is my very first Expo. I'm really enjoying it right now. I'm just doing some stuff with Tmidd, just watching him. Like I said, I'm just enjoying myself, man. I didn't come here to do any type of shooting at all. I didn't come to shoot at all. I just came to have fun and really just support the guys and just come out here and have fun with the guys. So, but we're gonna go to another location. I just showed you a little shoot that Tmidd was doing. So we're gonna go to another location and shoot the model there, and then that's about it. And I think I'm gonna give you some food here a little later too after we leave here. I'm gonna give you some food. Right now I'm getting hungry.
Hey, I'm gonna get everybody one of these.
Oh yeah?
Yes, you're welcome.
It's gonna be here before we leave. Hey, I'm gonna be sending. I'm gonna send you my address and be like.
Okay, that's all I need. Yeah.
What up, what up? It is now day 2, man. Day two. We out here going to some mall, get some food, talk like I get some food. Panda Express, man, he say he ain't bad, so.
I'll be over there at that Popeyes right now. I'm gonna tell you that right now, dog. If I wasn't trying to be healthy, that Popeyes, that's where I'll be.
Well, you here, man. I'm gonna go see what I can get myself into. Yeah, we in this mall, man. The mall's pretty nice. In the mall, this is day 2. I think Mid's gonna meet up with us, man, but we have to come here to get some food for. I'm gonna grab me something here real quick. Then I'm gonna go over here. I think I seen some type of smoothie place. So I'm gonna go over and see what's going on over here real quick.
This is definitely better than some of their olders, but still.
Is that the
I mean, it's like, man, my fingers are cramped in there, man.
It's a 15. It's a lifetime warranty. Comes with 4 pads, reusable.
Yeah, like they crushed that.
fellas. Just got finished enjoying my very first ever photo expo with my man Tog. Still
A
with us
to
in
the
building.
N to the THONY.
And of course, Tmidd in the front, Mr. Popular. You heard what he said right there, man. Yeah, so you know, it's just right now, man. Like, it was actually, I really enjoyed going out there the first time. My first little photo walk. It was a very good experience. As of now, we're trying to find somewhere to go eat at because it is fucking, I'm hungry. And get some drinks and chill out. And then we'll come out and do a little bit more extra stuff tonight. What's up, guys, man? This is day 3. We are now starting our day. Man, hey, I just now realized I didn't even give y'all a little, you know, a sneak preview of the Airbnb that TogLife ended up finding, man. It's a nice little Airbnb, man. Nice little room, nice little setup. Didn't cost us that much. Right here is the bathroom. Right here. Here's the little room that I stayed in here. Going out, there's the door right there. Come on through here. Small little kitchen. Nice. Got all the nice amenities that you need for a kitchen. And then this is Tog's room. So very, very small, very, very nice, man. TogLife ended up hooking this up, man. It's pretty sick. I enjoyed it. But this is day 3, so I'm just going ahead and get myself ready here. We are.
So overexposed right now, but hey,
Yeah,
what
go
it
ahead and
do?
tell you what it is, bro.
Image USA, day 3. It's actually the sun is shining. It was supposed to rain the whole time we was here. It really hadn't rained that much, so you know, the man upstairs is looking out for us. So let's
Yeah,
get it.
man. Like I said, this is our 3rd day. It is overexposed. I'm not putting my ND filter on, so we're just going to deal with this shit. So I'm not doing with the ND filter. I will crank up this ice. We'll crank up the shutter though. There we go. Yeah, crank up the shutter real quick. Yeah, man, this is my exit day, so we're gonna go get some breakfast, go eat, and probably we hitting up the show, right?
Yeah, man, we gotta see what Tmidd
Oh, he got something set up for a little something.
see what he got lined up.
Okay. But yeah, the Airbnb was cool, man. TogLife always, man, he's a home run on the Airbnbs, bro. He always picks some great Airbnbs. I came in front of.
I be doing that research.
Yeah, man, he always picks out great Airbnbs, bro. So it was actually really, really nice. Oh, there goes me right there. So what do you got planned on the day?
I got a broad coming through. You know what I'm saying?
What time?
12 o'clock.
Okay.
Well, you already got the front cover on that
What,
joint.
12 to 12 noon?
Nah, 12 noon.
What it do, Bree? What you riding? Everybody saying TLC vibe. I definitely did that.
Red light special.
You about to be burning houses down? Is that what you're saying?
That red light special.
Like, yeah, I'll burn your house down. You mess with me.
This is my last day here, and we are absolutely in Tmidd's Airbnb or Yellow. I don't know where he got this from, but this house is ridiculous, though, bro. This is my vlog. What is up?
Hey.
How are you enjoying this shoot out here with Tmidd so
It's
far?
going great. I recommend y'all work with them because they're awesome.
Tmidd is awesome, isn't he? I'm just out here just holding out some light, doing some video work. You want to throw that IG out there for him?
It's IAM.
Keep doing me like that?
No, because you know they probably think the way. I mean, they was probably the same thing. So I am SHONYE, and y'all follow me on Instagram, and I'll follow back.
We didn't make it to the show at the end because it was an early show, wasn't it?
You seen like how
It was early, wasn't it? They closed out early, the show, the conference, so the expo. Yeah, the expo closed 8:30 something to show y'all this little Airbnb that Tmidd got going on. Tmidd, tell these people about where they can find this Airbnb at, bro.
I don't know if I want to tell them where
Yeah, you gonna tell them
Airbnb. Hey,
Don't even tell them the exact app you got it from, right?
Listen, I'm gonna say, just make sure you use all your resources when you are looking for a home to get. Cause this was a crackhead deal, you know what I mean?
Also tell them that you also gotta look for things last minute, right?
Yeah, last minute.
Last minute. You gotta touch down and then you look. That's how you get the good deals. You touch down.
And that's how I really be doing too. I really be last minute. I be in the city looking for somewhere to stay.
That's how Mid gets down. But I'm gonna show y'all, give you a little B-roll how this dope Airbnb that Mid got sent. We just got finished shooting. It was a fun time. How did you enjoy it?
It was good. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10 recommended, man. But I enjoyed my time down here with these guys, man. I enjoyed Mid, TogLife.
Was I
yeah, I was supposed to say what you gonna give out.
Nah, man. You know how we do when we get together. It's always a good time. So yeah,
I appreciate it.
Yeah,
Mid, man.
Man, T to the M to the IDD. You already know what's happening.
She's just. But no, man. Of course, until the next time we all meet up, guys, which is gonna be WPPI, correct?
Yep.
Yeah. So we all meet up in WPPI, man. I'm about to hit the road, get myself back home, and then
Vegas, baby.
are going to keep on and going out. So until the next one, man.
Peace.